This Bosch 18V 6/2 inches circular saw kit with a core 18V 4.0Ah compact battery features a circular saw that easily cuts through 2 inches material. This powerful tool can easily cut through 2x material across the entire bevel range of 50 degrees. Its ergonomic main handle is angled for ease in pushing the saw forward, and a dust blower helps keep the cut line visible. The cordless saw also includes a simple straightforward depth gauge and bevel scale and an anti-snag lower guard to allow easy entry into the workpiece. With a weight of only 6.6 pounds. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. This power saw is an excellent choice for pros such as roofers, framers, or deck builders who often have tough cuts in close or difficult spaces. An electronic brake stops the blade quickly for reduced downtime between repeated cuts. The next-gen lithium-ion core 18V compact battery matches the power of the original 2-layer 4.0Ah battery with half the number of cells. The battery features high-power 21,700 cells that deliver great power, combined with advanced battery design for greater efficiency. The core 18V 4.0Ah battery features the Bosch exclusive CoolPack 2.0 heat management system and cutting-edge engineering. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Battery system compatibility. Accepts all Bosch 18V lithium-ion batteries. Number 2. Ergonomic main handle, angled for ease in pushing the saw forward. Number 3. Performance-optimized 18V Li-ion battery, engineered to deliver power and runtime for ideal performance-to-weight ratio. Number 4. 6/2 inches saw blade, completely cuts through 2 inches at 90 degrees and cuts through 2x material across the entire bevel range. Number 5. The convenient 50 degrees bevel range on the saw contributes to enhanced versatility. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is there a light on the saw? Answer: no, this does not feature an LED light. Question number 2. Will this work with the older style 18V batteries and looks like it is designed to work with a guide rail? Will the Festool guide work with this? Answer: yes. The older style PTNA 18V lithium-ion batteries are compatible with the CCS180. All Bosch PTNA tools are compatible with all Bosch PTNA lithium-ion chargers and batteries for as long as they have the same voltage. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.